Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 60. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we begin near Pier 41 and head past the Ferris wheel and the historic streetcars that serve this part of the waterfront. Pier 41 lies just west of Pier 39 and serves primarily as a ferry terminal. Operated by a blue and gold fleet, it's one of the busiest passenger piers on the Embarcadero, connecting San Francisco with Sausalito, Tiburon, Angel Islands, and even Vallejo, further up the bay. Unlike the cargo piers with their timber sheds, Pier 41 was purpose-built for passengers in the late 20th century, reflecting the rebirth of ferry travel as both a commuter option and a tourist experience. The pier's open utilitarian structure emphasizes function, moving large numbers of people quickly onto boats. As we walk west, the skyline of Fisherman's Wharf comes into view, with its mix of neon signs, seafood stalls, and attractions. Here we pass one of the most recent additions to the waterfront, the towering Ferris wheel. Officially called the SkyStar wheel, it was installed in 2020 in Golden Gate Park to celebrate the park's 150th anniversary, and later moved to this waterfront site. Standing 150 feet tall, the wheel offers sweeping views across the bay, from Alcatraz and Angel Islands to the Golden Gate Bridge and the city skyline. Its gleaming white structure and enclosed gondolas have quickly made it a modern landmark. Nearby, the sound of bells and rumbling motors remind us that this area is also served by historic streetcars. The F Market and Wharves line run directly along the Embarcadero, linking Fisherman's Wharf to Market Street and the Castro district. The cars themselves are vintage electric trams from around the world, many painted in colors of their original cities, from Milan to Philadelphia. Introduced in the 1990s as both practical transit and moving museum, the F-Line cars have become icons in their own right, bridging everyday commuting with celebrating of transit history. Together, the Ferris wheel and the trams represent two very distinctive forms of movement. One is a nostalgic reminder of global streetcar culture, still carrying riders through San Francisco streets. The other is a vertical ride giving passengers a chance to pause, look out, and take in the bay from above. Both add to the layered experience of Fisherman's Wharf, where maritime history, tourism, and entertainment collide. That concludes today's walk, from the ferry service of Pier 41 to the soaring Ferris wheel and the colorful historic trams that continue to define San Francisco's waterfront character.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.